Hello everybody, I hope everybody is keeping well. It's been such a long time since we've last seen you. We've got some children back and it's great to see them, but I know the majority of you are still at home, cracking on with the online learning and doing the best as you can. I'm sure, like me, you are looking forward to September and coming back, hopefully, to a little bit of normality. And we are ready and willing to welcome you back and to get started. But we did want to acknowledge all the learning that you have been doing, whether that's been at home with your mum and dad on the online learning, or whether it has been in school with the children that have returned. So normally we would be having our end of year big assembly where we would acknowledge the children that have really impressed us throughout the whole year. Because we can't do that in person this year, we're going to do it on video instead. So I'm going to introduce the assembly now as if we were in the hall, and then each teacher is going to do a little video about who they've awarded their end of year certificate to and why. And then at the end, we'll sum up with a few more bits and pieces and thoughts for September. So in the meantime, sit back and enjoy.
We have chosen Patricia for our end of year certificate as she has simply astounded us all with the progress she's made during her time in nursery. When she joined, very unsure about making friends or trying new things, but during her time here she's shown us what a wonderful, creative, bright and sociable little girl she is. Her confidence really has soared, and even returning to nursery, she has taken on new challenges, made new friends, and she's done it all with a smile on her face. So well done, Patricia. You've had a brilliant time in nursery, and we are all going to miss your lovely little stories that you like to tell.
Well done, Isabella, for receiving the end of term certificate. It's been an absolute delight having you in the class. You are a joy to teach. You've got a wonderful imagination, which I can see through your work and your play. You've been up to some amazing creative and fun activities during lockdown. I've loved every single email that I received. I'm super proud of the progress you have made. Keep up the hard work for year one. Well done.
Hello. The person that I've picked for St Jude's is Charlene. I picked Charlene because she's made both fantastic progress at home and at school with her learning. She's really blooming in her confidence and has bloomed over the year, and she's really working independently across all areas of her learning. She's really worked hard to develop her reading skills, again both at home and in school, and her writing is coming along really nicely. She works independently, she loves a challenge as well, which has been really nice, and she always accepts any challenge given to her and tries her absolute best. And she always tries everything learning wise with enthusiasm, a smile and positivity, and she has been a real role model to her peers in the class as well. I really like as well that Charlene has a really inquisitive nature. She loves finding out new things, and she loves finding out new things to share with us at school, as well as finding out new things at school as well. So it's always lovely to hear all the interesting facts and new information that she's found out that she wants to share with the class too. So well done, Charlene.
Well done, Sarah. You have had an amazing year. You didn't join us till a little bit later on, but from the moment you joined our class, you just worked. You have worked so hard. You've made fantastic progress. You have been a superstar in lockdown. And not only that, you are an amazing friend. You're so kind and caring to all the children in our class, and you're an absolute superstar. So well done.
Hello Ace, you will be receiving St. Simon's End of the Year certificate. You have been an absolutely wonderful student this year. Throughout the time being present in my class, you demonstrated a positive attitude towards your work and showcased enormous ability and progress in all aspects of your learning. It was pleasing to witness your kind nature around both teachers and friends. I'm so proud of your hard work and being able to witness your amazing learning journey. in class and also your work from home. Ace, you are the superstar. It was a pleasure to teach you this year, and I believe you do so well in year 2. Good luck, Ace.
The person that I would like to give our end of year certificate to in St Matthew is Samuel. Samuel, since year 1, when I first had you last year, you've always loved your learning. Every topic, everything, every subject. And you've carried this on right the way through our period of home learning. You have, without fail, sent me your work for your spellings, punctuation and grammar, lots of writing, our maths, our guided reading, and you've even taken on the challenge to go away and read as many books as possible, and you have found some books, the Alien Adventures, that you have absolutely loved. So you've really enjoyed and found your passion for reading styles. Besides this, you've also done extra topic work for me, and you've done amazing family activities. For example, you've been doing your computing project with your sister, you've been finding ways to make up different games, you've been playing Scrabble, making bowling alleys out of bottles. You look like you've just had so much fun. You've been doing all of our PE workouts, so many long walks to make sure that you're physically healthy, as well as keeping on top of your daily learning. In topic, you also made an amazing 3D globe showing the world, showing the 7 continents, and you also always take on any extra feedback that I give, and you go away and you find out more, and then you come back. Besides all of that, your writing has made so much progress. I can really see such beautiful letter formation, and I can see that you're going back and you're looking at ways that you can improve, enhance, extend your sentences to include all of the year 2 features. And your writing really is so imaginative. I'm so proud of you for all of your hard work, and thank you for allowing me to see all of your lovely home learning. Well done, good boy.
Hi Maya, a big well done for being chosen for the end of year certificate. It has truly been a pleasure to teach you this year. From the beginning of the year, you've come in every single day to school with the biggest smile on your face, and I've really missed that throughout our home learning. But I've been so lucky because you send me pictures every day of all your work and pictures of you enjoying it as well. You have shown so much dedication to your learning, both in school and at home. In your home learning, you've gone above and beyond every single week. I have loved seeing your PE videos, your artwork, all your topic work. It has been amazing to see how dedicated you truly are to doing really well in year 2. You have been a great role model to the other children in our class, both when we were at school and with your home learning, and I'm so proud of you, and I want you to be really proud of yourself as well. You're going to be amazing next year in year 3, so well done for getting the certificate. It's truly deserved, and keep it up next year.
Well done for receiving the end of year certificate, Kate. I am so impressed with all of your hard work over the last few months with your home learning. You've always tried your best, you've done almost all of the tasks, and you've put 100% into everything you've done. Your presentation has been absolutely beautiful. I sometimes feel like I'm reading secondary school work because it's so beautifully laid out. Your guided reading has been exceptional. You've always been using the text to support your answer, and you've also been able to get outside and do some outside learning in your garden and out for walks, which has been really fantastic. So you've really excelled through the year, but especially in your home learning. So well done. What a fantastic year, and the best of luck for year 4. Well done.
Logan, I am giving you this award for all your fantastic work this year. You came to year 3 and really worked hard on being independent, and it has really paid off. I am so proud of how far you have come with your learning, and you are now enjoying school and showing how resilient you can be. I love how enthusiastic you have become, especially in maths and in art. You have blossomed into such a hard-working young boy and shown how bright you are. You have really impressed many teachers whilst being in the Key Worker bubble, and you have shown exceptional behaviour and worked your socks off. So well done, Logan, and good luck in year 4.
This year, I've chosen to give my end of year certificate to Mickaway That is because of the amazing dedication he has shown in all of his work across the year. He is always trying to push himself and always trying to make sure his work is the absolute best it can be, especially showing me this during his home learning, where he has shown such amazing dedication to everything he has done. He always makes sure his work is really, really well presented and always goes the extra mile to make sure his work is looking good. He has shown wonderful care and concern for others this year and has been a really, really good friend for other children in the class. I've also been very, very impressed with how well he's represented the school, not only in the many sports he's competed in this year, but also in the Medway Music Festival. He has been a really, really excellent role model and a real great ambassador for the school. I'm really, really confident he will carry on being amazing as he moves into Year 6 and be a really, really good role model for St Michael's in the future. Congratulations, Micaway. You definitely deserve this award. Well done.
Hello everyone, hope you're all well and staying safe during this time. I just want to say first of all how proud I've been of Year 4 this year. The determination, effort and resilience in learning both in class and at home has been truly exceptional, and I want a lot of you just give yourself a pat on the back. Right now, I could just about reach, but all of you give yourself a pat on the back because you've thoroughly impressed me with the learning you've been doing. Now for the end of year award this year, I have chosen Ola, as I feel that she has really, really impressed me this year. Ola, you have the effort you have applied this year, both in class and at home, has been truly to exceptional standard. You are always determined to try and do your best. You're resilient to go back in your learning, so go and make changes, improvements, and it really captures our core values and circle values of our school. The ability to go back and be resilient enough to go, yes, I made a mistake in my learning, I want to change that. And then the love and enthusiasm you have for learning that you share with both us and your peers is brilliant. Some of the projects you've been doing at home during this time as well, and some of the posters, writing pieces, maths learning you've been sending me day by day, week by week during this time. When you've been in school as well, some of the work you've been doing in school, when we were doing our writing on Oliver and Seawigs, really, or poetry as well. I've seen how you love to use personification in your poetry. You're always putting your best efforts in, and it's absolutely brilliant to see. So I'm so pleased to be giving you this award, Ola. Again, have a lovely summer, everyone. Stay safe, all of you. Keep working hard, keep up them positive smiles, and make sure you get out and enjoy this summer, get a bit active as well. Stay safe and see you in September.
My end of year award goes to Finley. Finley, you have really impressed me this year. You have been doing amazing work throughout the whole year. I have loved watching your confidence grow every single day and your attitude for learning develop further. You have become such a mature student who focuses so hard on his learning and is eager to do the best that he can do. I have been so impressed with your dedication to your learning and your resilience. You have persevered through difficulties and you have kept going even when you found things tricky. In maths, you have just improved greatly, really focusing on everything you can do, getting in extra practice and trying your very best. In English, you have focused on your presentation and making sure to include all of your SPAG features, and your writing has just become so great. I also noticed that during our home learning period, you have been doing so much hard work. You have kept going and managed to keep yourself motivated. You've not only done all the English and maths work set, but you've also had fun and you have showed your enjoyment through other lessons that you have done as well, particularly in art, where you really proved yourself as a developing artist, and I could see the improvements in your art. So keep it up, Finley. You're doing fantastic, and I hope you keep it up for next year too.
Kellen, you have been an absolute star to teach this year. You've come in every day with a smile on your face and such a keenness to learn that it stays with you throughout the whole day. It has been absolutely lovely to see you flourish this year. You absolutely came alive through our history topic on World War I, and you were an absolute fountain of knowledge. I loved all the facts that you came up with during our lessons. I learned an awful lot from you. You're also such a kind member of the class who always looks out for his classmates, which is such a lovely attribute to have. While we were doing home learning during lockdown, I was continually impressed on a daily basis with your commitment to further your learning, as well as how well you kept up with PE with Joe. I know that you will absolutely soar in Year 6. Well done on a fantastic year and a very well-deserved award.
Hi Neha, you will be receiving St Paul's End of Year Certificate. You have been absolutely perfect this year. From day one, you have been a pleasure to teach. Your diligent, hard-working and resilient nature has enabled you to make leaps of progress. You always go above and beyond in every area of the curriculum. Your work is always presented beautifully, and you put 100% effort into everything that you do. Not only are you a fabulous student, but you're very caring, kind and loyal towards all your friends and all the members of St Michael's. You have been a wonderful prefect, and during the lockdown period it was lovely to have you back in the Year 6 bubble. Your secondary school are extremely lucky to have you, and I will miss you an awful lot. Good luck in everything that you do. Bye!
Hi Jemima, congratulations on receiving the end of year certificate. You have been an absolute joy to teach this year. From the very first day of coming into Year 6, you have been such a role model. Your passion and enthusiasm for learning shines through in everything you do. You haven't been afraid to ask questions, which has meant that you have been able to deepen your understanding across the curriculum and has contributed to your excellent progress this year. Even at home in your home learning, your work has been of an exemplary standard, and I am so proud of your achievements this year. On top of your academic work, you have a wonderful personality. You're so kind, caring and helpful towards the entire of the St Michael's community, and I will miss you greatly. Good luck at secondary school. You'll be brilliant.
Well, I thoroughly enjoyed hearing all those fantastic reasons as to why the children have been chosen for the certificate this year. This has been a totally unique year with the changes and so on that we've had to make. So well done for keeping up all that work, for being resilient, which is one of our circle values, and for still trying really, really hard to do the best that we can. In regard to the sports day, I've sent out already on the update the winners from the sports day in regard to houses and the winners of our sporting trophies as well. So well done to you. All it remains for me to say is I am so looking forward to seeing you in September. It will be a bit different, and some of you that have been at school will have already seen the differences, but it will still be a little bit different, and we'll be having staggered starts and staggered finishes, and lunchtime will look a little bit different as well. But we are doing all that we can to keep the school as safe as possible so that we can come back to school, crack on with the learning, knowing that we are safe and comfortable just as we would be if we were at home. I've done an extra risk assessment, and that will be on the website for those who want to see it ready for September, and I'll be sending some further information out to parents, just giving you a little bit of an idea as to routines and slight changes that will be in place for September until the foreseeable future. And again, it's to keep us all safe. All I have to say is thank you very, very much for all the support you and your parents and your carers have given us here at St Michael's. I wish you the best. I hope you stay safe over the summer, and it's really important that you do. And I cannot wait to see you all again. We're back as a school on Monday, the 7th of September, when I will see as many of you as possible, smiling faces, ready to start the new academic year. So goodbye and God bless.